Hey, what's up everybody? Today I am going to be making these sticky and sweet barbecue baked chicken wings, and I'm also going to throw in some of my homemade brown sugar dry rub. So y'all, let's go. Alright, so to 8 large chicken wings that I cleaned with vinegar and some lemons and let it just soak for a while, I am just going to go in with a couple of tablespoons of my homemade brown sugar dry rub. Now, I'll be making a video, or I'll be releasing a video on this recipe pretty soon, so definitely stick around for that. But it's just brown sugar with a whole lot of like savory spices like garlic powder, onion powder, and a few other little things. But like I said, look out for that. Then I'm just going to mix that all up together. I also went in with a couple of tablespoons of baking powder to make sure that that skin crisps up nicely in the oven. And yeah, after I mix it all up, I'm just going to spray my baking dish and that I line with foil, and then I'm going to go in with a little drizzle of olive oil just to make sure that none of the chicken skin will stick to this. And I mean, inevitably some of the chicken wings will stick to it because mine definitely did. But you know, use as much cooking spray or as oil as you want to, just to make sure that the chicken does not stick to the pan. So I'm just going to place them all in the pan gently, make sure that there's enough room for the chicken wings to kind of breathe a little bit, and then put them in the oven on about 400 degrees for about 15 minutes or so. Now, while the chicken is in the oven, I'm just going to start on my jazzed up barbecue sauce. So I'm going in with a couple of tablespoons of barbecue sauce, a tablespoon of my homemade brown sugar dry rub, then I'm going in with a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, a capful of white vinegar, and then I'm just going to go in with a little squeeze of ketchup. Then mix that all up together, and your jazzed up barbecue sauce is done. That was so simple, and it's a perfect way to really just spice up any barbecue sauce that you have. You can add some cayenne pepper, you can do whatever you want to do to that barbecue sauce to really amp it up some more. Now, after about 15 minutes in the oven, I'm just going to take that chicken out and flip it all over, and you can already see that that brown sugar has really just started to caramelize in the oven with that chicken. You can also see that that baking powder has definitely made sure that this chicken stays nice and dry and that the skin kind of crisps up a little bit. And again, y'all, just look at the color we got from that brown sugar. It is just everything you want in a dry rub. Definitely try it out. Now I just place it back in the oven for another 15 minutes or so on, again, 400 degrees, and this is what we have. And so after you do this, you want to just spread the barbecue sauce all over both sides of those chicken wings, and then you just want to place it back in the oven. I place mine on broil for like 5 minutes or so, and that's only really just to like kind of char up the top of the chicken. I love my chicken really just charred through, especially when you have barbecue sauce on it. It really just kind of gives you that taste like you cooked this on a grill outside, I promise y'all. So that is what I did. Placed it back in the oven, like I said, on broil for about 5 minutes, and boom, this is what we have. This is our sticky and sweet barbecue baked chicken wings. Y'all, this is such a go-to recipe. It is so easy. It is so just non-fussy. You don't have to just worry about too much. You got your brown sugar dry rub, and then you got your barbecue sauce, and this stuff goes on so many different proteins. Y'all, it is the perfect combination of dry rub with the barbecue sauce. It's perfect, y'all. And again, that skin is nice and crispy. It's not all just wet and soggy. It still is holding its shape. And yeah, y'all, it's perfect. I'm just showing y'all because this chicken was so good. I can't even lie, y'all. This chicken was really good, and it was so juicy. So make sure if you do have some chicken like this, you get like those big wings that have like the flat as well as the drum attached. And yeah, y'all, it's a perfect go-to recipe. So that's all I have for y'all today. Really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below in those comments. You can hit the like button, you can share, you can subscribe to the channel. And y'all, I will see you in the next video. Later.